This is me and my Uber on the way to the airport in Atlanta. My flight was scheduled to leave at 9:50 a.m. and just being from Atlanta, I know how hectic the airport could be. I was flying out of the international side today because my flight was direct. So it actually wasn't that bad. As you can see, I went through TSA's line pretty quickly. It wasn't that, like, this is literally me walking up and you see there's only a couple rows of people in front of me. Usually all of this could be filled. So I felt pretty lucky this day. So yeah, I was there about 2.5 hours early. So if you want to make sure that your line looks like this on a Tuesday morning, maybe try checking out the Atlanta's international side at this time. In addition to the line being really short, it was moving pretty quickly as well. I really have no complaints. If I had to rate my TSA line on the international side, today I would give it a 10 out of 10. Y'all, you really can't ask for much more than this unless if you just want to walk through and have no line at all. But for somebody who doesn't have clear or, the TSA pre-check, I had a pretty great experience. And while you guys continue to check out the inside of Atlanta's airport from the view of my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, let me give you a quick tip that I learned on this trip. It's actually cheaper. If you're afraid that your bag is going to be overweight, the one that you're checking, it will be cheaper if you're flying with Delta to check a second bag than it would be to pay for the additional weight. I think my bag was 2 pounds over and they were going to charge me $100, for that extra 2 pounds. Whereas I could have just went ahead and paid I think it's like $45, maybe $50 to check a second bag completely. But luckily I was able to consolidate some stuff into my carry-on, so it worked out. But that's just a quick tip for you guys whenever you're traveling with Delta. Right now, everything you're seeing was recorded through my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. If you want to get a pair, check the link in my description. You'll get $30 off if you use my link. Also, you can just hands-free record so many things. It's really, really useful for when you're traveling and you want to get first-person views. Make sure you check out the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. I know Oakley is partnered with Meta as well, but it's just really convenient. Another way to capture your content. Also, if this is going to be your first time flying out of Atlanta's airport, I want you to be mindful that there is a bit of a process to get to your gate because the airport is so large. Once you go through TSA, you will likely have to get on what we call the plane train, ride it to your actual gate, whether it's A, B, C, D, E, etc., and then get off the train, go up the escalator, and finally walk to your actual number. All of that could take a while, so just be sure to give yourself plenty of time. You may even have a little time for a pre-takeoff photo shoot. Speaking of taking off, before I knew it, y'all, I looked out the window on that airplane and we were descending into Panama.